If you want to get bigger and stronger legs without any equipment, this video is gonna help you a lot. We will share the top 6 killer exercises to build stronger, more powerful legs by breaking down each move step by step. The first exercise is bodyweight squats. Bodyweight squats are also called the king of leg exercises. Stand with your feet apart approximately up to your shoulder width and keep your toes slightly pointed out. Push your hips back like you are sitting in a chair, lower down until your thighs are parallel to the ground, and then dive through your heels and stand back up. Keep your chest up and core tight and try to hit 3 sets for 15 to 20 reps. Squats targets your quads, hamstrings and glutes all together. Research shows that the bodyweight squats increase your lower body strength and improves your functional mobility. In addition, they boost your metabolism, burning the calories even if you are done. The second exercise you want to do is lunges. To do that, you have to step forward with one leg, lowering your hips until your both knees are bent at 90 degrees. Your back knee should hover just above the floor and push back to the standing. Do this exercise for 3 sets of 12 reps per side. Lunges are unilateral moves, which means that they work one leg at a time, improving your balance and fixing strength imbalances. Studies show that the lunges activate your glutes and hamstrings and really helps you to boost stability. The third exercise is glute bridges. This exercise is perfect for the backside power. Lie on your back and keep your knees bent. Now adjust your feet flat on the floor and approximately up to your hip width apart. Push through the heels and lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to the knees, and then lower back down. Try to complete the 3 sets for 15 repetitions. This exercise really targets your glutes and hamstrings and also keeps your core engaged. It strengthens your back, which can really reduce the lower back pain and improves posture. Stronger glutes will help you to have better athletic performance while you're running or jumping. The fourth exercise is wall sit. Find a wall, slide your back down until your thighs are parallel to the ground, and keep your knees at 90 degrees like an invisible chair. Hold it for 30 to 60 seconds and 3 rounds for each. These exercises also increase the muscle stamina and even lower blood pressure over the period of time. The fifth exercise is calf raises. Stand with your feet up to hip width apart and rise up on your toes as high as you can. Then lower back down slowly. If you want to challenge yourself, then do it on a step so your heels dip lower. Try to do this exercise for 3 sets and for 20 to 25 repetitions. Strong calves improve your ankle stability and power, which really helps you in sprinting and jumping performance. The sixth exercise that we want to add here is jump squats. Start in the squat position, then explode up into a jump, landing softly back into the squat. Keep this controlled movement and perform 3 sets for 10 to 15 repetitions. This exercise builds explosive power. Jump squats increase your heart rate and muscle activation in your quads, glutes and calves, making it a full leg finisher. It's like a cardio and strength exercise, which is perfect for legs. So you can do these exercises anywhere, anytime, and no equipment is needed. From strength and endurance and balance and calorie burn, these exercises will definitely show the results. Try to do this workout for 2 to 3 times a week, and trust me, you will really feel the difference. So what is your favorite leg exercise? Let us know in the comments below. And also, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel, and also you can follow me on Instagram with the link in the description. Thanks for watching.